Hello guys, welcome again to this channel. This is Mr. Java Trailer. Today I am going to show how to fix the error Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. Let's first see the error. Open the CMD. Execute the command java version. This error we get when Java path is not set in the system. Okay, so let's set the path and fix this error. Close CMD, open my computer again, right click, go to properties, click on advanced system setting, environment variable, click on new, write path in variable name. For variable value, paste the bin folder path. So again my computer again, go to C drive, program files, Java, JDK 1.8, bin. Copy this path, right click here, copy, and paste it in variable value. Click on OK, OK again, OK, close this one also, open CMD again, OK, execute the command java version. So here is the Java version 1.8. so this error has been fixed. I am going to end this video here. Your like and subscription to this channel would be appreciated. Thank you.